You have probably used tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, or other AI chat systems. They answer questions, they write code, they summarize text, they even generate ideas. But what exactly is happening behind the scenes? Let us understand this clearly. A large language model, or LLM, is a type of artificial intelligence system trained to understand and generate human language. That sounds simple, but the way it works is quite interesting. Think about how humans learn language. From childhood, we read books, hear conversations, watch videos, and slowly understand patterns. We learn grammar. We learn context. We learn how words relate to each other. An LLM learns in a similar way, but at a massive scale. It is trained on enormous amounts of text data, books, articles, code repositories, documentation, websites. During training, the model does not memorize answers. Instead, it learns patterns and language. At its core, an LLM predicts the next word. That may sound too simple, but let me explain. If I say, the capital of France is you already know the next word is likely Paris. The model works the same way. It looks at the words before and predicts the most probable next word. Then it predicts the next one and the next one. Word by word, it builds a response. Now here is the important part. LLMs are built using neural networks. Specifically, a type of architecture called a transformer. This architecture allows the model to understand relationships between words, even if they are far apart in a sentence. For example, in a long paragraph, it can understand what a pronoun refers to. It can maintain context across multiple sentences. That is why it feels intelligent. But technically, it is performing very advanced probability calculations based on patterns it learned during training. Now, why is it called large? Because of the number of parameters. Parameters are internal values the model learns during training. Modern LLMs have billions, sometimes trillions of parameters. The more parameters, the more complex patterns the model can capture. This is why larger models generally perform better. Now let us connect this to real-world usage. When you ask a question in a chat interface, your prompt is sent to the model. The model processes it, calculates probabilities for possible next words, and generates a response step by step. It does not search the internet in real time unless connected to external tools. It generates responses based on what it has learned during training. That is an important distinction. So to summarize, a large language model is a neural network trained on massive amounts of text. It learns language patterns. It predicts the next word repeatedly to generate meaningful responses. And because it has learned from large-scale data, it can handle many types of tasks: writing, coding, explanation, reasoning. Understanding this foundation is important before moving into topics like fine-tuning, embeddings, or RAG systems. Once you understand how LLMs work at a basic level, the rest of the AI ecosystem starts making sense. This content is created by the YouTube channel Open Computing Sessions. This audio version is generated using AI technology. Thank you.